Want to record video on Snapchat without holding the button on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily do it. First thing first, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once it is up to date, simply move into the application Snapchat. Enter your login credentials and log into your specific account. Once logged in, now what you need to do is, you simply need to tap and hold this button at the middle of the screen, and then swipe the screen to the left in the lock icon. After that, you do not need to hold the button in order for you to record the video. Once you are done recording, simply click on it. And there you go, the video has been recorded without holding the button. Well, it's a similar process for both Android and iPhone. Now, if you want to send it, click on Send To at the bottom right corner. And if you want to save the video, click on this download icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. That way you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.